exponent x plus 7 exponent x all over 7 equals 72. Okay, so our equation becomes 7 exponent x plus 7 exponent x equals 7 times 72. All right, so we're going to have 7 exponent x multiplying 1 plus 1 equals 7 times. Now 72 is the same as 9 times 8. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. So you have 7 exponent x times 2 equals 7 times 9 times 8. All right, now let's divide here. All right, so we can say 7 exponent x times 2 equals, now 7 is the same as 7 exponent 1. Okay, 7 exponent 1 is the same as 7 times 9, and 9 is the same as 3 exponent 2. 8 is the same as 2 exponent 3. Okay, all right, so we are going to divide here by 7 exponent 1 and here by 7 exponent 1 in order to apply the quotient rule. So this cancels this. Okay, so we're going to have 7 exponent x divided by 7 exponent 1. Okay, times 2 equals, okay, 3 exponent 2 times equals 3 exponent 2 times 2 exponent 3. Okay, now let's apply the quotient rule. Now a exponent m over a exponent c equals a exponent m minus c. So this gives us 7 exponent x minus 1 times 2 equals 3 exponent 2 times 2 exponent 3. All right, so this is going to give us 7 exponent x minus 1 times 2 equals 3 exponent 2 times 2 exponent 3. Now let's divide here by 2 and then here by 2. Okay, and remember 2 has a power of 1. Okay, all right, so here this will cancel this, so we are left with 7 exponent x minus 1, 7 exponent x minus 1 equals 3 exponent 2 times, okay, 2 exponent 3 minus 1. So we're going to have 7 exponent x minus 1 equals 3 exponent 2 times 2 exponent 2. All right, so we are going to apply logarithm here. Okay, so we say log 7 exponent x minus 1 equals log, okay, 3 squared times 2 squared. All right, so we are going to apply the product rule of logarithms, and then we are also going to apply the logarithm definition. So let's apply the product rule first. Okay, so log a times b should give us log a plus log b. So we have log 7 exponent x minus 1 equals log 3 squared plus log 2 squared. Okay, now let's apply the logarithm definition. So log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. Now this will give us x minus 1 multiplying log 7 equals 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2. Okay, all right, so we're going to have x minus 1 log 7 equals 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2. All right, so let's divide the terms of the equation by log 7. So here by log 7, here by log 7. Okay, so this part will cancel this. So log a over log b should give us log a base b. So we're going to have x minus 1 equals 2 log 3 base 7 plus 2 log 2 base 7. Okay, so you're going to have x equals 2 log 3 base 7 plus 2 log 2 base 7 plus 1. And we've made x the subject of the equation.